Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, guys. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very important and also very interesting.
Yes, today we will learn how to describe feelings in simple English.
Feelings are part of everyday life. We feel something all the time.
Happy, sad, tired, excited, right?
Exactly. And today we will help you say these feelings in easy English.
So you can speak more naturally and confidently.
And don't forget, if you enjoy this podcast, like, share, and follow us.
Okay, let's start learning together.
Feeling 1, happy. First word, happy.
Happy means you feel good, you smile, you enjoy life.
Example, I am happy today.
Or, I feel happy when I talk to my friends.
Nice. Let's make it interactive. Listen, I am happy. Repeat, I am happy.
Good job. Say it again. I am happy.
Great. You are improving already.
Double bar simple 2. Next word, sad.
Sad means you feel bad. Maybe you want to cry.
Example, I feel sad today.
Or, I am sad because I miss my friend. Listen, I feel sad. Repeat, I feel sad.
Again, I feel sad.
Nice. Very clear.
Double bar simple 3.
Next word, angry.
Angry means you are upset. You don't feel good.
Example, I am angry. Or, I feel angry when people are late.
Listen, I feel angry.
Repeat, I feel angry. One more time. I feel angry.
Perfect. Keep going. Double bar simple 4. Next word, tired.
Tired means you need rest.
Example, I am tired.
Or, I feel tired after work. Listen, I am tired. Repeat, I am tired.
Again, I am tired.
Good job.
Double bar simple 5. Next word, excited. Excited means you feel very happy and full of energy.
Example, I am excited.
Or, I feel excited about my trip. Listen, I feel excited.
Repeat, I feel excited.
Say it again. I feel excited.
Awesome.
Double bar simple 6.
Now let's practice a small conversation.
Listen carefully.
Hi, Stephanie. How are you?
I am happy today. How about you?
I am a little tired.
Oh, why are you tired?
I worked a lot today. Now you repeat. How are you?
I am happy.
I am tired.
Very good. That's real English. Double bar simple 7. Next word, nervous.
Nervous means you feel a little scared or worried.
Example, I feel nervous.
Or, I feel nervous before an exam.
Listen, I feel nervous.
Repeat, I feel nervous.
Again, I feel nervous. Double bar simple 8.
Next word, relaxed.
Relaxed means calm and peaceful.
Example, I feel relaxed.
Or, I feel relaxed at home. Listen, I feel relaxed.
Repeat,
I feel relaxed. Double bar simple 9. Let's talk about real life.
Morning example, I feel tired in the morning.
Evening example, I feel relaxed in the evening.
Fun example, I feel excited when I watch movies. Repeat all 3. I feel tired. I feel relaxed. I feel excited.
Great job. Double bar simple 10.
Now listen to this again. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel tired.
Now say it with us. I feel happy.
I feel sad. I feel tired. Again, I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel tired.
Perfect. Repetition helps you learn faster.
Feeling 8. Scared. Feeling 8. Scared. Next word, scared.
Scared means you feel afraid.
Example, I feel scared.
Or, I feel scared at night. Listen, I feel scared. Repeat, I feel scared.
Again, I feel scared.
Good job. Feeling 9, surprised. Next word, surprised.
Surprised means something happens suddenly.
Example, I feel surprised.
Or, I am surprised to see you.
Listen, I feel surprised. Repeat, I feel surprised.
Again, I feel surprised.
Feeling 10, bored.
Next word, bored.
Bored means nothing is interesting.
Example, I feel bored.
Or, I feel bored at home. Listen, I feel bored. Repeat, I feel bored.
Say it again. I feel bored.
Nice work. Now we practice. Let's practice a small talk. Listen first.
Hi, how do you feel?
I feel bored today.
Oh, why?
Because I have nothing to do. Now you repeat.
How do you feel?
I feel bored.
I have nothing to do. Nice. Very natural.
Feeling 11. Confused.
Next word, confused. Confused means you do not understand.
Example. I feel confused.
Or, I am confused about this question.
Listen. I feel confused. Repeat. I feel confused.
Again, I feel confused.
Feeling 12. Proud.
Next word, proud.
Proud means you feel good about yourself.
Example, I feel proud.
Or, I feel proud of my work.
Listen, I feel proud.
Repeat. I feel proud.
Again, I feel proud.
Now, Yuri, let's connect feelings with real life.
Morning, I feel sleepy.
Work time. I feel busy.
Night, I feel relaxed.
Repeat. I feel sleepy. I feel busy. I feel relaxed. Great. Feeling 13. Lonely.
Feeling lonely. Lonely means you feel alone. Example, I feel lonely. Or, I feel lonely without my friends.
Listen. I feel lonely.
Feeling 14.
Sick.
Feeling sick. Sick means not healthy. Example, I feel sick.
Or, I feel sick today. Repeat. I feel sick. I feel sick today. Now listen carefully.
Hi, Stephanie. How are you today?
I feel a little sick.
Oh, no. Are you okay?
Yes, but I feel tired.
You should rest.
Yes, I will. Thank you. Repeat slowly. I feel sick. I feel tired. You should rest.
Very good.
Feeling 15. Calm.
Calm means peaceful and quiet. Example, I feel calm. Or, I feel calm in nature. Repeat. I feel calm. I feel calm in nature. Feeling 16. Worried.
Feeling worried means you think too much about a problem.
Example, I feel worried.
Or, I feel worried about my exam.
Repeat.
I feel worried. I feel worried about my exam.
Listen, discuss. Listen again. Big practice. Listen. I feel happy. I feel scared. I feel confused. Now repeat.
I feel happy. I feel scared. I feel confused.
Again. I feel happy. I feel scared. I feel confused.
Let's learn with a small story.
Today, I wake up. I feel tired.
Then I drink tea. I feel relaxed.
I go to work. I feel busy.
I make a mistake. I feel confused.
But I try again. Now I feel proud.
Repeat story, line by line. I feel tired. I feel relaxed. I feel busy. I feel confused. I feel proud.
Now we repeat all feelings together.
Say with us. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel angry. I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel scared. I feel bored. I feel confused. I feel proud. I feel lonely. I feel sick. I feel calm. I feel worried.
Again, I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel angry. I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel scared. I feel bored. I feel confused. I feel proud. I feel lonely. I feel sick. I feel calm. I feel worried. One more time.
Yay.
Feeling 17. Sleepy. Sleepy. Next word, sleepy. Sleepy means you want to sleep. Example, I feel sleepy. Or, I feel sleepy in the afternoon. Listen, I feel sleepy. Repeat, I feel sleepy. Again, I feel sleepy. Nice. Feeling 18. Fresh. Next word, fresh. Fresh means you feel new and full of energy. Example, I feel fresh. Or, I feel fresh in the morning. Listen, I feel fresh. Repeat, I feel fresh. Again, I feel fresh. Feeling 19. Hungry. Next word, hungry. Hungry means you want to eat food. Example, I feel hungry. Or, I feel hungry in the evening. Listen, I feel hungry. Repeat, I feel hungry. Again, I feel hungry. Feeling 20. Thirsty. Next word, thirsty. Thirsty means you want to drink water. Example, I feel thirsty. Or, I feel thirsty after walking. Listen, I feel thirsty. Repeat, I feel thirsty. Again, I feel thirsty. Mini conversation practice. Let's practice. Listen first. Hi, Ronald. How do you feel? I feel hungry. What do you want to eat? I want a simple meal. Now you repeat. I feel hungry. What do you want to eat? I want a simple meal. Great. Feeling 21. Strong. Next word, strong. Strong means you feel powerful. Example, I feel strong. Or, I feel strong after exercise. Repeat, I feel strong. I feel strong after exercise. Feeling 22. Weak. Next word, weak. Weak means you have low energy. Example, I feel weak. Or, I feel weak today. Repeat, I feel weak. I feel weak today. Let's connect with real life. Morning, I feel fresh. Afternoon, I feel sleepy. Evening, I feel hungry. Repeat all. I feel fresh. I feel sleepy. I feel hungry. Feeling 24. Comfortable. Comfortable means relaxed and easy. Example, I feel comfortable. Or, I feel comfortable at home. Repeat, I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable at home. Feeling 25. Uncomfortable. Next word, uncomfortable. Uncomfortable means not relaxed. Example, I feel uncomfortable. Or, I feel uncomfortable here. Repeat, I feel uncomfortable. I feel uncomfortable here. Long conversation practice. Listen carefully. Hi, how are you? I feel weak today. Oh, why? I did not eat well. You should eat food. Yes, I feel hungry now. Repeat slowly. I feel weak. I did not eat well. I feel hungry now. Good job. Feeling 25. Busy. Next word, busy. Busy means you have a lot of work. Example, I feel busy. Or, I feel busy today. Repeat, I feel busy. I feel busy today. Feeling 26. Free. Next word, free. Free means no work, relax time. Example, I feel free. Or, I am free now. Repeat, I feel free. I am free now. Now a small story. In the morning, I feel fresh. In the afternoon, I feel sleepy. In the evening, I feel hungry. At night, I feel comfortable. Repeat line by line. I feel fresh. I feel sleepy. I feel hungry. I feel comfortable. Big repetition practice. Now repeat all together. I feel sleepy. I feel fresh. I feel hungry. I feel thirsty. I feel strong. I feel weak. I feel comfortable. I feel uncomfortable. I feel busy. I feel free. Again, repeat all. One more time. Repeat all slowly. Amazing work today. You learned many useful feeling words. Now you can talk about your daily life in English. Keep practicing every day. Speak slowly and clearly. You are doing great, really. Now tell us, what do you feel in the morning? Write, I feel blank in the morning. See you in the next episode. Bye. Keep practicing.